Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create truly eye-catching dashboards in Smartsheet using Metric Widgets. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just looking for a better way to visualize your data, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build a dashboard that not only looks amazing, but also brings your numbers to life and makes them super easy to understand at a glance. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so the good news is we already have our data ready to go. This can be a sheet of sales numbers, project statuses, whatever kind of info you're looking to showcase. Having your data prepped ahead of time just makes everything flow more smoothly as we build the dashboard. Now for the fun part, let's start creating our dashboard. Head over to your workspace in Smartsheet and in the left sidebar you'll see the Add button. Give that a click and then select Dashboard from the options. Think of the dashboard as a blank canvas where all your data insights are about to come to life. Once you're inside your new dashboard, look for the settings to add a widget. Widgets are like building blocks for your dashboard. They help you display information in all sorts of different ways. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Metric widget. This is perfect for showing specific numbers or highlights like totals, averages, or key progress points. Go ahead and click on the Metric widget option. Next, you'll need to add your data. This is where Smartsheet really shines in terms of flexibility. You can either add entire data columns all at once, or if you want to get creative with your dashboard design, you can handpick individual columns or even specific cell values. For example, maybe you only want to show sales numbers for a particular region, or just the deadlines for high-priority tasks. Selecting data individually lets you customize the dashboard to match exactly what you, your team, or your audience needs to see. But to keep things quick and efficient, especially if you have a lot of information you want presented, choose the Select All option when prompted. This instantly pulls in all your relevant data right into the Metric widget, so you're not wasting time clicking each column one by one. If you're building your first dashboard or just want everything in view, this is a huge time saver. After adding your data, the real magic begins, customizing your dashboard layout. Smartsheet gives you lots of options for how your metrics are displayed. You can change the size of each widget, move them around to prioritize the most important information, and play with the alignment to make sure everything looks tidy and balanced. For example, you might want critical metrics like revenue or open project tasks front and center, while less urgent numbers get placed off to the side. Don't worry if your first draft doesn't look perfect. Smartsheet makes it easy to move things around and adjust your layout as many times as you need until you find a design you love. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've built a tailored, interactive dashboard that puts your important metrics front and center. Take a moment to admire your handiwork, make any last tweaks, and remember that you can always come back and update your metrics as your data changes. Thanks so much for following along with me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own dashboard tips, let's chat in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.